people, good morning. So guys, I have a lot of things to do today and I started early here. So we're going to be pairing this akara with oats. This oats is it smells so nice. And it's Speaker oats. This is the real oats. I think this is the first oats since 1877. This one. Guys, I'm going to be blending pap. I'm going to be making pap today too, to also supply to the people that are buying. So stay tuned. I will see you guys maybe when I'm doing the pap or when we are eating. Okay.